Immigration filing fees can feel like a toll booth guarded by a dragon, but some applicants may qualify to have certain fees waived. The first step is checking whether the form you plan to file is eligible for a fee waiver, because not every immigration form gets one. USCIS usually explains eligibility on the form's instructions and on its fee waiver guidance page. For many requests, you use Form I-912, Request for Fee Waiver, and send it with the immigration form whose fee you cannot afford. You generally should not file Form I-912 by itself, because it needs to travel with the application like a permission slip with very serious shoes. You may qualify if you receive a means-tested benefit, such as Medicaid, supplemental security income, or certain food assistance programs. The program must usually be based on your income and resources, and you may need to provide proof showing your name, the benefit, and that the benefit is currently active. Another possible path is showing that your household income is at or below the required poverty guideline. You may need evidence such as pay statements, tax records, benefit letters, or a written explanation if your income recently changed. A third path may apply when you have a financial hardship, even if your income is higher than the guideline. For example, large medical bills, job loss, housing problems, or other serious costs might help explain why paying the filing fee would make it difficult to meet basic needs. Think of the application as answering one simple question: why should USCIS believe that paying this fee is not realistic for you right now? Clear facts usually work better than dramatic language, because your paperwork is not auditioning for a courtroom television show. Complete Form I-912 carefully and answer every relevant question. If a question does not apply, write NA when appropriate instead of leaving the officer to guess what happened in the mysterious blank space. Include copies of supporting documents, not original papers, unless the instructions specifically ask for them. If a document is not in English, include a complete English translation with the translator's certification. Your explanation should describe your household, income, expenses, benefits, and the event causing hardship. Use specific details, such as how much you earn, what your rent costs, and why the fee would interfere with food, medicine, transportation, or other basic needs. Immigration lawyers often help by checking whether the form is eligible, matching evidence to the correct eligibility category, and spotting missing information. They cannot promise approval, though, because USCIS makes the final decision and paperwork does not come with a guaranteed happy ending button. Before mailing anything, check the current USCIS instructions, filing address, fee rules, and edition dates. Immigration forms can change, and using an old version is like bringing a flip phone to a smartphone repair shop. Brave, but not especially useful. Make a complete copy of everything you send, including the fee waiver request and evidence. Consider using a trackable delivery service, and keep the delivery confirmation with your records. If USCIS denies the fee waiver, the notice should explain what happens next, and you may need to submit the filing again with the required fee or correct the problem. Do not ignore the deadline or assume the immigration form will keep moving forward automatically. If you are unsure which waiver path fits your situation, a licensed immigration lawyer or a qualified nonprofit legal service can review the details before you file, and you can check out our links in the description to learn more about our company.